Can you use Zelle without a bank account?
Hello there. Today, we're going to address a commonly asked question. Can you use Zelle without linking it to a bank account? Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money with friends, family, and others you trust, but it's important to know the requirements to use this service effectively.
What is Zelle?
Zelle is a digital payment network that allows users to send and receive money directly from one bank account to another. It's designed for quick, simple transfers, typically within minutes when both parties are already enrolled. Zelle is partnered with hundreds of banks and credit unions across the United States, making it accessible for many people.
Can you use Zelle without a bank account?
Here's the short answer. No, you cannot use Zelle without linking it to a bank account. Zelle's primary function is to transfer funds directly between bank accounts, so a bank account is essential for its operation. Unlike other digital wallets or online money transfer services, Zelle doesn't allow you to hold a balance within the service itself. Instead, the money moves directly between bank accounts.
How do you set up Zelle?
To use Zelle, you need to have an account at a participating bank or credit union. You can find a list of participating institutions on the Zelle website. Then, you enroll with Zelle through your bank's website or mobile app, providing your email address or U.S. mobile phone number. After enrollment, you can send or receive money with anyone who has a bank account in the U.S. In conclusion, Zelle is a fantastic tool for sending and receiving money directly between bank accounts. However, it's important to understand that you cannot use Zelle without linking it to a bank account. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this video has answered your question and provided some clarity about how Zelle works.